classes we are going to discuss, that is a question paper from 2014 to 2020 on the chapter continuity and differentiability. We have already completed the 1 mark question, so from this chapter, and next we came to, that is the 2 marks. In that 2 marks, so up to 2015 July we have completed. So mainly 4 questions we have completed. Next we come to, that is the 5th questions. So that is 2016 March. In the 2016 March, it is a repeated question which we have already solved in 2015 July. So it is solved already in 2015 July. So the second question, the sixth question, we are going to move that. We are going to solve, that is the sixth question. In the same year, if they ask that like this, x raised to y is equal to a raised to x, prove that dy by dx is equal to x log a minus y divided by x log x to the base e. So if nothing is there, that is base e. So for this problem, so what we have, x raised to y is equal to a raised to x. Let me name it as a 1. So now here we have, that is the sum. So two equality is there. So better to use the log for this. So it is not necessary to use the formula. So we can use the formula on both the sides, but it will become a very difficult. Or you can change that. For this, if you consider u1 and v1, u2 v2, like this you have to consider. So better to use, it will become, if you take log, it will become very easy for us also. One time we can differentiate. For that, two formulas we have to write. So better to take, let me solve this problem by using the log only. So let me take log on both the sides. Applying log on both the sides. So taking log x raised to y is equal to log a raised to x. So we know the properties of the logarithm. Log properties ಗೊತ್ತದವ್ರಿ, log u raised to p ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, p log u. So then y log x is equal to x log a. So name it as a 2. So now we differentiate. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, differentiate 2 with respect to x. So ಅನ್ಬೋದು derivative, product rule use ಮಾಡು, derivative of y into log x, product rule apply ಮಾಡು, into derivative of log a is a constant, let me take outside, log a into derivative of x. So now we differentiate it. So keep y as it is. Product rule we have to use. Keep y as it is. Derivative of log x. Next, plus keep log x as it is. Then derivative of y. So that is dy by dx is equal to, so log a is a constant into derivative of x is 1. We got the log a. So next here what we are getting, y, derivative of log x is 1 by x. So plus log x into dy by dx is equal to log a. So let me bring on this side, what happens, log x into dy by dx is equal to, so log a minus y by x. So take LCM. LCM ತೋರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So shall I write this? So I solve here that the remaining part. So log x into dy by dx is equal to LCM ಏನಂದ್ರೆ x ಆಯ್ತು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ x log a minus y. So now log x ನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ dy by dx is equal to x log a minus y divided by x log x, x log x, x log x. So this completes the problem. So here we are getting that is two problems. One is always a logarithmic problem we are getting. So one we can use the logarithm on both the side, or you can apply that is a so derivative, the formula directly which we have created, that also you can use. So this completes. So 2016 ಇನ್ನೇನ್ರಿ ಜುಲೈ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಮುಗಿತು, ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದ್ದು ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮುಗಿದು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2016 ಜುಲೈ 16 ಜುಲೈ 16 ಜುಲೈ. So here we have 16 July, that is the seventh question. If y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square, where x lies between 1 to 1, find dy by dx, find dy by dx, find dy by dx. So here what we have to consider first, so that is given y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. So we have already known the formula in the inverse trigonometric function. Whenever you got the inverse trigonometric function, please remember all the trigonometric formulas. So with the formula only we have to simplify it, and it will become a very easy for us to find out its derivative. So for that reason, better to use the trigonometric formula. If you directly differentiate, we will get, but it is very complicated for us. So for a simplification purpose, for that to make it as easy, so better to know that what formula we have to apply for this, and what are the formulas we have regarding this problem what is given. So if we have 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus, we have already studied in the inverse trigonometric function, so this problem, so you should be remember that. So what substitution? So here if you have a 1 plus x square and 1 minus x square, but you have to take that is x equal to tan theta, put x equal to tan theta, then theta is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ tan inverse x, tan inverse x. So now we put this cos inverse of 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. So 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ, 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus, sorry, it is a square 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cos 2 theta, cos 2 theta. Then y is equal to cos inverse of cos 2 theta. Cos inverse of cos 2 theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ 2 theta. Cos inverse of cos theta we have already known that it is an theta. So is equal to y is equal to, so now next what happens to this 2 is equal to, replace that in terms of x only, tan inverse x. So now differentiate this with respect to x. What happens? dy by dx is equal to 2 tan inverse x, the derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. So finally we got that dy by dx is equal to 2 divided remember all the trigonometric formulas and also inverse trigonometric formula. If we know and how where we have to use which formula, that should have the skill of identification. So then only it will become a very easy for us. Otherwise, it will become a very difficult. So we have completed the 2016 July. So next we come to that is the in the same problem, 8th question, that is 2016 July. So if y is equal to x raised to sin x, find dy by dx. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗೈತಿ 2016 ಜುಲೈ ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಾಗ ಐತ್ರಿ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಸ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ನೀವು ಲಾಗ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ರೇಸ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಾಗ ಐತ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y is equal to u raised to v. ಸೊ u ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಸೊ u is nothing but x, v is nothing but sin x. Then what we will find out the derivatives. U pura derivative ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. du by dx is equal to 1. X the derivative ಏನ್ರಿ 1. dv by dx. So v the derivative ಏನ್ರಿ cos x. So now we know already that is the derivative of u raised to v. Formula doctor, use this formula, it will become a very easy now. So v d, so that is u raised to v into so what we get, v by u into du by dx plus log u into dv by dx. So this completes the problem formula. So ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ. ಸೊ u raised to v ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು 1. So then dy by dx is equal to u raised to v ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತಿ x raised to sin x into bracket v sin x divided by u x into du by dx ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ 1 into 1 plus log u ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತಿ x into dv by dx, that is cos x. ಮುಗೀತ್ರಿ ಕೆಲಸ. So then we got that dy by dx is equal to x raised to sin x into sin x by x plus cos x log x. So this completes the 2016. Next we move to that is the 2017. So next we come to that is the 2017. So ninth question. If ax plus by square is equal to cos y, find dy by dx. So 2017 March, that is 2017 March. So let's see here. So what they have given, ax plus by square is equal to cos y. Let me name it as a 1. ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಾವು dy by dx ಕಂಡು ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಬರೀದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ 1 ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು x. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಮ್ ರೂಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ax plus by square into derivative of cos y. So now ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು dy by dx, then apply it again. a constant ಐತಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ derivative of x is 1 plus b y square is a dependent variable, ಅದರದ derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2y dy by dx ಆಗುತ್ತೆ is equal to cos y is a dependent variable, cos the derivative is minus sin y into dy by dx. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು dy by dx, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಐತಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಐತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಒಂದರ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ವಿ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ a on that side, what happens? So 2by dy by dx minus ಐತಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ sin y dy by dx is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 into a, that is a. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐತೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ a. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ dy by dx ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, dy by dx ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ಉಳಿತೈತ್ರಿ 2by plus sin y is equal to minus a. Then dy by dx is equal to minus a divided by 2by plus sin y. So this completes the problem. That is 2017 March. Next in this 2017 they asked that is the certain question. Verify the Rolle's theorem. So that is the 10th. Verify the Rolle's theorem. For the function f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8 for all x belongs to the closed interval minus 4 to 2. So here we have to verify the Rolle's theorem. So Rolle's theorem comes means you have to remember the statement of the Rolle's theorem. What is the statement of the Rolle's theorem? First, continuous in the closed interval, differentiable in the open interval, and also that is f of a equal to f of b. Then there exists an element c belongs to the open interval such that f dash of c is equal to 0. If you remember this statement, you can easily verify. So the Rolle's theorem, the simply first step is f of x is x square plus 2x minus 8. Which type of function it is? A polynomial. So we know that polynomial function is differentiable and also the continuous. So it means it is continuous. So first we have to state which type of the function it is. F of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8 is a polynomial function. Polynomial function. Therefore f is continuous able in the open interval minus 4 to 2 ಮತ್ತೆ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ದಿರಿ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ and next f of ಏನ್ರಿ minus 4 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು f of x ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ್ರಿ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ x square plus 2x minus 8 so f of minus 4 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ minus 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ f of a equal to f of b ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು f of minus 4 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 4 square plus 2 into minus 4 minus 8 so f of minus 4 is equal to minus 4 under 16 minus 8 minus 8 minus 8 minus 8 that is 0 next f of ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 ಹಾಗೆ f of 2 x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಹಾಗೆ 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 8 so that is equal to 4 plus 4 minus 8 that is also equal to 0 so here it confirms that f of a equal to f of a so it implies that f of minus 4 is equal to f of 2 so therefore next ಏನೈತಿ there exists c belongs to the open interval minus 4 to 2 such that f dash of c is equal to 0 f dash of c is equal to 0 next ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು f dash ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ f dash ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ f dash of x is x square the derivative 2x direct ಬರೀರಿ plus 2 2 constant x is the derivative 1 minus 8 0 constant is good so that is 2 so then f dash of c is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2c plus 2 is equal to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ c plus 1 is equal to 0 2 ಅಂದ್ರೂ 0 ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ c plus 1 equal to 0 then c is equal to minus 1 this completes the problem so ಈ ಸದ್ ಏನು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ c ಐತಲ್ರಿ c whether it belongs to the open interval or not c belongs to the minus 4 to 2 so therefore Rolle's theorem is verified Rolle's theorem is verified this completes the problem so next we move to that is the 2017 July 2017 July 2017 July that is 12th question so differentiate sin x raised to x with respect to x so sin raised to x I think so it is a repeated question so I have sin it is similar but reverse it is there so differentiate sin x raised to x so only change that is they have interchanged that is the problem so here so it is asked in 2017 July so y is equal to let me consider ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ consider it as a y is equal to sin x raised to x ಹೌದ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ u is equal to ಏನ್ರಿ sin x v is equal to x ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಏನೇನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು du derivative of ಯಾವುದ್ರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಸ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ u ರೇಸ್ ಟು v ಏನ್ರಿ u ರೇಸ್ ಟು v ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ v by u ಇಂಟು du by dx ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ log u into dv by dx. So this completes the problem. So ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ u raised to v u raised to v u ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ sin x raised to x u v x by sin x into du by dx cos x. Simple substitution plus log u under sin x dv by dx 1 into 1. So this completes. So we can write that is sin x raised to x into cos by sin, that is cot x plus log sin x sin x. So this completes the dy by dx. So this completes the problem. So next we move to that is the so this complete 2017 July, and we have another example that we have to discuss in the 2017. These I think 13. Find it is only 12. Don't if you find dy by dx. Nodri number also problem ಬಂತು. If 2x plus 3y is equal to sin y. So 12 ಆಗಬೇಕು 13 ಆಗಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So correct ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. So ಏನೈತ್ರಿ equal to sin. So given equation is that we have to find out dy by dx, and equation is given like this 2x plus 3y is equal to sin y. Idu kottanu, that is given. Let me name it as a 1. Idan ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1. So now differentiate 1 with respect to x. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. So if you apply the derivative on both the sides, derivative of 2x plus 3y is equal to derivative of sin. So here you should have a skill of identifying the dependent and independent. So apply the sum rule. Take the sum rule inside. 2 derivative of x is 1 plus 3 y is a dependent variable, then its derivative is dy by dx is equal to sin y in dependent variable, sin the derivative in cos y dy by dx. So dy by dx ಇದನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಬಿಡೋಣಲ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 into 1 2 is equal to cos y dy by dx. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಕಡಿಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ dy by dx. So minus 3 dy by dx. So let's take the dy by dx as a common. dy by dx common ತೊಂದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತೈತ್ರಿ cos y minus 3 is equal to 2. So dy by dx is equal to 2 divided by cos y minus 3. So this completes the problem. ಇದೇನೈತೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು 2017 ಜುಲೈ ಮಟ್ಟ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ್ರಿ, so we move to that is 2018 March. Let me see which type of a problem we have. So I think so it is a repeated question what we are observing. in the 2017. So 2018 March, it is a repeated question. Both, I think so, both are repeated. Both are repeated. You have to do it done. ಎರಡು ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅದಾವ ನೋಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ 14. ಫೈಂಡ್ dy by dx and dy by dx is equal to x raised to sin x. X raised to sin x. So it is 2018 March. ಹೌದ್ರಿ, ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ 2016 July I think so. x raised to sin x 2016 July. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೇಳಾನ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2016 ಜುಲೈದಾಗ ಕೇಳಾನ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 15ನೇದ್ರಿ, ಫೈಂಡ್ dy by dx x square if x square dy by dx y is equal to, it is x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100. So it is 2018 March. Then it is also asked in previous question. Previous question paper it is asked, I think so. It is in so wait 1 minute. Okay, it is not asked. So let me solve this. So better to solve you, I'll give homework for you. Find dy by dx if x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100. Find dy by dx. So try yourself. So tomorrow we'll see.